See here, dear students, today I am going to demonstrate one more example on transient analysis. Here, this circuit is RC circuit. Okay. See, you just go through this circuit. There are two parallel paths connected across 100 volt battery, right? So voltage when switch is closed, when switch K is closed, voltage across R1 is 100 volt. Similarly, the voltage across this parallel path is equal to 100 volt since these two paths are in parallel. Okay, we'll go through the statement of this problem. Read this problem carefully. In the circuit, K is open for a long time. Initially, the switch is open for a long time and will be closed at t equal to 0. It will be closed at t equal to 0. Okay. When switch is closed at t equal to 0.1 seconds, voltage across the capacitor is 80 volt. This is the one part of the problem. Okay. Next, after some time, switch is opened and t equal to 0.5 seconds. Okay. So here there are three cases. Okay. Then voltage across capacitor is 90. What is that? When switch is opened at t equal to 0.5 seconds, the voltage across the switch is 90 volt. Right. Find the value of R1 and RC. This is R1 and this is RC. Okay. See here, there are three parts in this example. One is minus infinity to 0 minus K open. Okay. Plus 2 T K closed. Again, after this instant, K will be opened. Okay, so we have to analyze the circuit performance during under these three conditions. Okay. So this circuit is having an energy storing element C. Thus we need to go through the history of this circuit. Okay. C. I am going to discuss that part in step 1. When switch K is opened, okay, then what's the voltage? Switch was open for a long time. Thus, voltage and capacitor is 0. Thus, voltage soon after closing the switch is also 0. Thus, it will be noted at a 1. When switch is closed, this is across this resistance. This path is across this. Right? Okay. When switch is closed, 40. Sweta, please, Akash. Closed t greater than 0. The circuit is as shown in figure 2. Here is a second. Okay. Now apply KVL for a loop. What is that KVL? 100 volt. See, in this loop. For this loop, we need to apply KVL. R2I plus voltage VC. Okay. We will have this equation. V is equal to R2IC plus VC. Right. We know that IC equal to C into dVC by dt. Substitute this value in the above expression. What we will have? V equal to R2C dVC by dt plus VC. Call it as equation 4. Right. See, the equation 4 is differential equation. Equation 4 is differential equation. So we have to solve it by using either classical method or Laplace transform. I am using classical method. Classical method, right? Classical method, I am using it here to solve the value of VC, right? Okay. Arrange the terms in a proper way. So we will have V minus VC equal to R2C dVC by dt. Okay. So arrange the term so as to integrate the above equation with respect to variables such as VC and T. This is t. Okay. See, after integrating this equation, we will get t divided by RC2 minus ln v minus Vc and k dash. What is that k dash? Integration constant. Okay. So, we will evaluate the value of a k for initial conditions. So, we are knowing the initial conditions in a circuit on the capacitor, that is Vc0 equal to 0 at t equal to 0. Thus, k dash equal to ln v. Substitute this value in equation number 7. Therefore, t divided by R2C equal to ln of, substitute and arrange it, we will get v divided by v minus Vc, right? Taking a antilog on both the side, we will get e to the power of t divided by R2C, R2 into C equal to v divided by v minus Vc. Call it as expression 10. Rearrange the terms, okay, as shown in this equation. Okay, we will get Vc equal to v minus v into e to the power of t r divided by R2 into C. Substitute the value of R2 and V in the above expression. We will get Vc equal to 100 into bracket 1 minus e to the power of t divided by 100 RC. Okay. See, the second part of the, first part of the equation is, so example is, at t equal to, he has given a t, that is 1 milliseconds. At that instant, Vc equal to 80 volt. Okay. Substitute these values in the above equation to evaluate C. Okay. To evaluate C. Therefore, this equation. Okay. Then solve this equation. We'll get 0.8 equal to this much. Then take it on this side and take it on this side. Take this term on left side. We will get this equation. Taking a ln on both the side to solve C. So if you solve this, we will get C equal to 62.13 microfarad. Okay. This is first part. Okay. The value of C, we have got it at t equal to 1 milliseconds and voltage is 80 volt. Next. The next part of solution is K is opened again. Before that, circuit has reached a steady state. Thus, voltage across capacitor is 100 volt. It has reached 100 volt, right? 100 volt. It has reached steady state. Therefore, the circuit is unexcited circuit. If we apply KVL for this circuit and solve it, we will get voltage across the capacitor for this undriven circuit is Vc equal to V into e to the power of minus t divided by R1 plus R2 into C. Okay. Then to evaluate, so we need to evaluate R2 at t equal to 0.5 seconds and the respective voltage across the capacitor is 90 volt. Substitute these values in the above expression. That yields us 90 equal to 100 e to the power of minus 0.5 divided by R1 plus R2 into 62. This value of C is substituted here. Okay. Again, taking a ln on both the side to solve R1 plus R2, we will get, after solving that equation, we will get R1 plus R2 is equal to 176 ohm. R2 is known, subtract it from this, we will get R1 equal to this much. So, R1 is 76.273 ohm, and C value is 62.13 microfarad. Okay.